Hey everyone. Okay, so my buttons galore came in today. Buttons galore and more. Yeah, that sounds right. Look at, they changed the box. Isn't that cute? They totally changed the box. Very, very, was it bougie? So, oh, buttons galore and more. Yeah. So how cute! I love it. Oh, and so we have a little note in here. Let's see. Yeah, so, and did they charge us more for this box? Nope, still $23.47. So, pretty good. Okay, so let's open it and see what we got. I am not a box keeper. I throw everything away. So, but I do think it's so pretty. So, you have Bali blue. Bali blue buttons. Oh, they're so pretty. So pretty. You know, they give you enough to share, and I need to do that. I need to make a big old pile of them and then just share the heck out of them. Okay, and then they gave us Seashells. This is, they're thinking of summer tropical vibes, so that's why it is this color. Premium gemstones, jewels. Oh, look how beautiful those are. These are dark aqua. Ooh, so pretty. Whew, I love it. And, beach treasures. Anything with the shank, you can just snip off and then put enough glue on it and adhere it down. That's what I do for these. And then we have pink flamingo, and these are sparklets. Oh, and they have little flamingos in them. Let me see if you can, yeah, see the little flamingos? How cute. Very, very cute. And this is the Pearls box exclusive. Oh, look how beautiful. Gosh, it almost reminds me of Christmas. You know, the new, like, Hobby Lobby did the new Christmas with all the pastels and stuff. And that reminds me of Christmas. Huh, isn't that funny? Because I'm a traditional girl, and I have to have all my greens and reds and all that stuff. This is a box exclusive, and you get the buttons, and like I said, take off the shank, and you will be good. I am in love with this box. This box is beautiful. $23, you guys. I think it's worth it. And then you get a freebie. You get enjoy your free gift. We got one. Yep, one free gift this time, and it's a metal, so that's really good. So you get the anchor and the sun, and they have an eye hook right here, so then you can make them into charms. So awesome. I love it. 23 bucks, worth it. I totally think it's worth it, and I will continue to get this subscription. All right, guys, take care. Bye.